Coming up next, we have joining online Konstantin from Content Loop. This is an AI agent for founder-led content marketing, helping B2B founders grow through content on autopilot. Konstantin, you're up.
Hi everyone, I'm Konstantin, founder and CEO of Content Loop, and we help B2B founders grow consistently by sharing founder-led content. I've spent 10 years in content marketing, both on employee side in agency and as a founder of agency myself and in different startups. And there is clear trend that is happening right now and here to stay. It's that founder-led content is the new go-to-market for B2B founders. And you might have seen those faces in your LinkedIn and Twitter feed. The problem with B2B content is essential, but really painful. So it's time-consuming, inconsistent, hard to scale. So what are your options? You can do it yourself, spend a lot of time with AI. You can hire a junior who has industry expertise, or you can hire expensive agency. That's why we're building Content Loop, so you can become an industry authority through founder-led content without actually increasing marketing headcount. Let me tell you how it works. So before we creating any content, we are setting up the workspace for you where we get information and files from you, from your Notion, from your Drive, from your sales scripts, from your white papers. In order to create this company knowledge base, we're analyzing also your founder profiles, your website, in order to create the ICP and brand voice for you. And only then our AI is creating the content. So it's done for you posts, aligned with your brand voice, aligned with your ICP. And you, as a user, have just to review the draft, adjust it using the chat in our platform, and just hit publish. So our pricing is quite simple. We start with $99 per month for B2B founders and consultants, and we have premium pricing plans for B2B teams and agencies. Unlike other competition on the market, so we are cost-effective and focusing more on industry knowledge and industry insights in order to have quality content, not the generic ones. You can literally save tens of thousands of dollars by automating B2B content, comparing to hiring freelancer or agency, and do it without actually increasing marketing headcount. We have founders who previously launched B2B startup together before. We learned a lot from our mistakes, and we have a good combination of skills in marketing and tech in order to grow Content Loop together. We are currently at 3K MRR, and we target first B2B SaaS and AI companies, and then going further into the professional service businesses. Our go-to-market is obviously we're using founder-led content. We're going to explore more of the affiliate partnerships and B2B content agencies so they can increase our margins. Currently, we're fundraising 500K to reach 1 million ARR next year, focusing more on product development and boosting our sales. I guess the request that I have for the jury right now is please recommend Content Loop to your portfolio B2B founders, and happy to answer all the questions. That's it.
Thank you, Konstantin. Right on time. Now, jury, up to you, your questions, but please make them shorter.
There's already a lot of AI-generated content, and it's coming more and more every day. So first of all, how are you using AI? Second, how you ensure the quality of the content?
Yeah. So if we talk about there is a competition, that's why it means the market exists. If we talk about the quality of content, that is why we're focusing more on creating the company workspace that is focusing, first of all, on your product information that you have as a company. And then as the second thing is about the founder insight. So we have kind of content interviews where you can have a voice and just share your expertise in order to create the content. So unlike generic chat-based interfaces and product, where just create knowledge out of nowhere, we're creating everything based on your product, so it matches your ICP and matches your brand voice. That's why we have this onboarding in the beginning compared to other products. How we using AI? So we're using it in order, first of all, during the research phase, and then during the content creation phase, and then during the feedback loop phase. So every time that you publish any feedback to our chat, we learn on it in order to improve the upcoming content for you. Hope I answered the question.
Yeah, thanks for the pitch. So you mentioned you have some clients already, or you have some revenue, so it means you have some clients, I guess. So
Yep.
who are these clients? Question number one. And question number two, how are you evaluating the value you bring to them? Do you track some KPIs of new business you bring them, or how do you evaluate? So new clients, so your clients, and how do you evaluate?
Yeah, so right now we have a few clients, and I would say if we talk about the ICP, so right now we have early stage B2B founders. So this is usually seed Series A stage. That's one profile. And another where they have already a marketer in the team, at least one. So these are like two ICP profiles for us. If we talk about the second question was, can you repeat? I just was the...
No worries. How do you track the value you bring them?
Yes, the value in terms of first one, it's time. So founders save tons of time. We compared it to doing it with ChatGPT that you need to train for like 40-50 hours in order to start getting any results. We saving to founder at least 5-7 hours per week minimum in order to create the founder-led content. If we talk about the marketers, based on, let's say, few clients that we have right now, it's around 25-40 hours per month. So they can optimize their workflows with our solution.
All right, we have time for one more question.
Yeah, thank you. I'll proceed with this client's topic. Could you please provide insight on your unit economics and the client's retention, please?
Yeah, if in terms of unit economics right now, hard to say because we don't have a churn in a way, and the whole customer acquisition cost is based on our outreach. Yeah, so I cannot tell you like I would love to tell you the CAC and LTV, but we're too early for that. And if we talk about retention, we have less than 10 clients and nobody churned us for now. Too early to say. That's why we're raising in order to speed up faster.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Konstantin. Thank you, the jurors.
Thanks a lot.